Hey everyone, it's Dr. Anka with the fourth tip of the Sharper by the Minute challenge. Tip number 4, we're following with step number 1, protect the brain from further damage, reducing inflammation and eliminating toxins by avoiding certain foods. We talked about sugar and we talked about elimination, how important it is to eliminate or at least reduce sugar consumption, and also stay away from aspartame. And then now we've been talking about toxins and MSG. And today we're going to talk about the another health tip number 4, limit your exposure to heavy metals. Heavy metals are naturally occurring elements that have an atomic weight and a density at least 5 times greater than that of water. That is the chemically correct definition. Their multiple industrial, domestic, agricultural, medical, and technological applications in the last century have led to their wide distributions in the environment, raising concerns over their potential effects on human health and the environment. Their toxicity depends on several factors, including the dose, route of exposure, and chemical species, as well as the age, gender, genetics, and nutritional status of the exposed individuals. If brain fog, tiredness, bloating, or pain are weighing you down, you may have a buildup of toxic metals, toxic heavy metals. Figure out if your symptoms are related to a buildup of heavy metals. Discover ways to minimize and avoid daily heavy metal exposure, and hopefully I will help you with that a little bit today at least, and find out what you can do now if you've been exposed. We are all exposed to heavy metals through food, especially non-organic water, air, toiletries, cosmetics, amalgam dental fillings, and vaccines. A long period of low-level exposure can result in the accumulation of heavy metals in our tissues, mainly in our fat stores, which cause symptoms including some of the following: pain, particularly aching joints and headaches; tiredness and fatigue, the feeling that you want to rest your head and have trouble carrying out the daily tasks; inability to concentrate, when you simply can't focus on deal with things in your life; mood swings and energy roller coaster type of feeling, where you get dizzy, tired, or irritable between meals; bloating and other digestive issues could be related to heavy metal toxicity, such as abdominal pain, inconsistent bowel movements. This can include constipation and diarrhea. Heavy metals are also strongly linked to serious degenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's and heart disease. And the list goes on, and I put the longer list in your action guide in case you are curious. Some heavy metals like fluoride has been shown to cause brain damage, and in at least 50 scientific studies it has been linked to lower IQ, especially in children. The accumulation in our bodies takes place over the years, so the older you get, the more likely you'll get worse effects. Here are the main culprits and the actions you can take to avoid them. I included a big table in your action guide with all of these, so please look at it and do your best avoiding these. I hope this is serving you well and go use this stuff now. This is Dr. Anka signing off for now with tip number 4 for the Sharper by the Minute challenge. See you in the Facebook group.